right, what I'm gonna do here is I've got a 40 to 50,000 mile motor, GM LS 5.3. Upgrades with camshaft, lifters, transmission's been gone through to handle the extra camshaft and a few other little upgrades. So what I'm gonna do with this motor, it's going in a square body C10 pickup. Gonna try to make this thing look very presentable at a fraction of what a new one cost. This one has got low miles on it, and we are going to make it look beautiful with a little bit of elbow grease and some fresh paint. Your paint job is only going to be as good as the prep work. Any leftover grease or grime in any of these corners will lift the paint, and the paint will start peeling. And in a couple of years of daily driving, you've wasted your time. You do it right, and it'll last you for a long time. Almost there. Another round or two. Black, as is, or old school orange. What would you do? 83 C10. It wasn't really an old school year, but it gives it that old school feeling. Let me know what you think. Can almost eat off of it, but I wouldn't. All right, degreased. I'm gonna go back over it with some wax and grease remover on all the painted surfaces. But all the important stuff is taped up. Got all the screws taped up to leave it some detail so it don't look like I just put it in a room and put a paint grenade in there and blew it up and everything painted the same color. All the sensors are out, everything's taped up. I still gotta take this bracket off, clean under it, and I've still gotta raise it up in the air and clean under the bottom of the transmission bell housing. And I believe I'm gonna leave the oil pan aluminum just to give it a little bit more detail. A lot of people would probably say to leave the heads aluminum and not paint it, but I believe I'm not trying to show off any aluminum heads on this build. I went ahead and went black because of all the factory accessories and everything just wouldn't look right with being painted orange. And I believe it's well worth it to get a low mileage motor and strip it down, super clean it and paint it, give it some detail that the factory wouldn't have done. This is gonna look like a brand new stock LS motor sitting in a brand new C10 pickup truck. It's probably gonna wrap it up for this video about the LS motor. So please like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and we'll bring you some more info on this as we start bolting goodies to it. Who knows, we may slap a blower on this thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Get out in the garage and build something.